Hey everyone, Chief Meteorologist Tom Miners on this Saturday, February 23rd. I know that you guys seem to like these videos, so I'm going to post another one and try to keep it brief to just give you the layout of the land for the rest of the forecast for today. I'm going to start actually with our website, wbbjtv.com/weather. You can see the current conditions on there, an hour-by-hour forecast, and even the interactive radar. But I'm going to scroll down here to severe weather alerts. Again, the current time recording this video is 8:19. And you can actually see there what our severe weather risk is for today. We still have a moderate to enhanced risk across most of West Tennessee with a slight risk in Tiptonville and western parts of Obion County. This graphic is going to show what the tornado threat is today, or what the percentage chance is for a tornado within 25 miles of a point. So within 25 miles of a point of Jackson, there's a 15% chance for a tornado today. The hatched marks showing up here kind of just show you where the most significant threat is for a tornado on this Saturday, February 23rd. We also have a 30% chance within 25 miles of a point for damaging winds across most of West Tennessee, as well as a 15% chance within 25 miles of a point in the yellow area for large hail. So you can also see radar on that screen as well as a loop of the radar. We've got another round of thunderstorms here coming in between this 8:30 and 9 o'clock hour for the Jackson area. And then also you can see a lot of other details on there. But that's what the risk looks like. Now, there isn't any instability or any energy at the surface yet. A lot of that rain there you can see is only north of that energy. If we're looking for the surface base, which is really what you need to get tornadoes going, that's still way south in parts of Mississippi, but we have a lot of elevated energy or elevated instability, and that's why we have some thunderstorms today. So they're not likely to become severe yet because you need to have something at the surface or in the mixed layer of the atmosphere for us to start to see some thunderstorms rotate, things like that. But we have all the other ingredients. We have plenty of wind shear, upper level winds. We have plenty of turning of the winds with height in West Tennessee, which is called helicity. So here's a look at where basically effectively our greatest risk for tornadoes is right now. And again, it's not here. It's not something that we're expecting to change until we go into the afternoon, where you can see this forecast shows those numbers increasing into West Tennessee by about, that's going to be about 2 o'clock. So still looking at the early afternoon hours being when we're going to be likeliest to see these thunderstorms become severe. This product will kind of show you where the strongest thunderstorms will be and when. So this is noon, and for West Tennessee, we still have scattered showers and thunderstorms in the area, but we'll expect to see the first couple of rounds of the strongest thunderstorms move in early in the afternoon in West Tennessee, and then continue to move from southwest to northeast across the area, finally leaving West Tennessee by 9 o'clock at the very latest. In terms of where we're likeliest to see the tornadoes, well, the greatest threat for tornadoes today is going to be in the moderate risk area you just saw. And especially around this time here, you can see about those early evening, late afternoon hours, mainly watching across portions of southwest Tennessee, so mainly south of Interstate 40, again in that moderate risk zone. So the amount of energy that's going to come into the atmosphere, again, is going to be what determines how strong or how severe a thunderstorms get. So you're looking for any kind of these values in blue here, and you don't really see them show up in West Tennessee until, again, after noon today. That's after about 12 p.m., and we see some values at least getting close to that blue, but mostly in the pink. So still enough energy to cause severe thunderstorms, but the strongest energy definitely is farther south in Mississippi. So that's a little bit of a good sign. This is an hour-by-hour forecast where you can see where those showers and thunderstorms will show up. So again, we might get a little bit of a break in the rain late this morning, maybe between 9 and 11 a.m. today, and then start to see thunderstorms develop, and then possibly see them become severe early in the afternoon, and finally leave West Tennessee completely by 9 o'clock. Last night I actually posted this graphic, and this shows you when thunderstorms are most likely to leave West Tennessee. So I don't have a time for you of when severe weather is going to start. All I can tell you is that between about 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. is when we're going to start to see some thunderstorms become stronger and possibly become severe. And then at the very latest, by about 8 or 9 o'clock is when they'll finally leave West Tennessee. So really between about 12 and 9 is when you need to be weather aware. Again, depending on when you are, you're going to see those thunderstorms completely leave earlier or later. So pay attention to that graphic for that. We are going to be streaming live on wbbjtv.com/live during severe weather coverage today, and we'll try to come up with some redundancies. If that fails, we're not expecting it to. It should be working and in good condition today, but just stay weather aware. Keep an eye on wbbjtv.com, as we'll be updating you on the forecast there, as well as on social media throughout the day. Be safe, and let me know if you have any questions.